Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're working on a general Northstar crew, and it has a bit of an oil leak going on down here. You can kind of see all the wetness coming out on the front side of the motor, where the pulley comes out for the AC and the alternator. So I'm gonna tear into this and see what we can find. Alright, got the cover off here, and as you can see, got quite a bit of oil coming out here underneath, definitely coming out of that front crankshaft seal. So I'm gonna dig into this and see if we can get it out of there. So this is the first time I've dug into one of these, and they are a stretch fit belt. So I'm gonna try to unbolt the alternator and see if I can get it out of there and get the belt off so you can get the crankshaft seal on, and then worry about stretching the belt on later. Alright, got the alternator out of there. It's just got this little wire plug and the power cable going to it. So got that out of the way. I think I'm gonna take off the inner cover just to get some more room to get the seal in and out of there and stuff. Belt's looking good, but I'll probably go ahead and try to get a new one just to replace it while we're here. Might as well, because it's kind of a pain in the butt to get in here, so we'll do that. Okay, got the inner cover off, got the belt off, and the power wire all shoved out of the way up there. Then yank off this crankshaft pulley and get the seal out of there. Alright, so there is 4 bolts on the back side of this compressor coming in. There's like one here, one on the other side, one on top, one kind of down underneath a little bit. Kind of a pain to get in there and get them out, but got them all. Then there's a bunch down in here. Alright, so there's like 4 bolts around the back side of this AC compressor that you got to get out. They're a 15mm head. You can, I found, if you go in back seat here, underneath the back seat, you can kind of get down there into the back of the compressor and you can get them out. At least one of them there. And then there's a bunch of little 8mm bolts that go up in here into this webbing. There's a bunch around here, and then a bunch around the outside. You can pull the crankshaft sensor out too. You got that hanging up there. And now we're ready to pull the cover off. So, just realized there's a 4th bolt underneath the compressor, way down in there. And I can't get to that one, so you have to take, I think I'm going to take this lower mount bolt down on the bottom off, and then we should be able to maneuver the entire compressor up and out with the plate, and hopefully it'll come out of there and the hose has got enough swing in them to move it around. We'll see. Alright, finally got the cover off. There's one lower bolt on the AC compressor down here. It's terrible to get to. That one lower one down there. So I finally got that out. Ended up having to pull this one hose off of the water pump. Which that seemed... This one hose off the water pump, and then I also pulled the motor mount out, and I was able to get in here with a ratchet wrench with the flexible head, this one right here, and get in here and get that out. So that's good. And got the cover off, and got the new seal in, and we're ready to go back together.